Hey Kathleen!
Hey Anya.
Oh, tell me, how was October for you?
Very busy, just like even more than September actually.
Mm-hmm.
I was attending a couple of meetings, the European Movement International Heads of Office meeting, which was kind of an update of the members of the European Movement International, and the European Forum for Education, Training and Youth, which was organized by the Commission and brought together different stakeholders in these fields, discuss the future basically in a new period. And I was also at the EFISO autumn meeting
In Bulgaria.
in Bulgaria, in the middle of nowhere in the woods, which was bringing together international student organizations to discuss best practices and to learn from each other.
And you became a board member.
No, but not board, but management team. I'm a member of the management team, so to make sure that all the things are followed up and as you can benefit as much as possible from EFISO. I was organizing or trying to organize a study fair for Agora Budapest, which was quite tricky because most of the universities are already out of money by the end of the year, and it was quite short-term notice also. Yeah, so yeah, in the end there's no study fair, but as I called a lot of universities now, we have an updated database and all the contact persons already know that there will be a fair in April, so we're more prepared. And then already it was Agora preparation. A lot of the time this month went to this. I was helping with all the different initiatives that we have, moving the house and all these things. And basically also myself, I was working on impact measurement. And then we already left to Budapest.
Yeah, you did. Oh, my month was dedicated mostly to some small daily tasks, like again checking reimbursements, making a lot of payments, going to the bank, to the post office, again checking reimbursements in the end. Then also was calling a lot of companies who I use the services of in order to fix some problematic questions there. Then also quite some time I spent in arranging the observation mission that one of the members of Asia did to the Ukraine due to the parliamentary elections which took place there. So basically I was calling and trying to be sure that everything would work in the end, that the member would be welcome, that everything would be official and stuff like that. And then basically the intense Agora preparation started. Meanwhile, again dealing with the membership fees from the locals, and they started preparing budgets and the joint financial report to be presented at the Agora Budapest. And then already last days before leaving, it was preparation for the registration desk, already preparation of presentations, again for the Agora. But also we forgot to mention that right before leaving, the last weekend in Brussels, we also had a team building, which actually helped us also to relax a bit and not to be that stressed before Agora, and also to remember that actually first of all, we should be the team and we should support each other, and only after having this kind of synergy between us, we can do everything basically, and we can go to Agora and prepare all together and manage all the things that we decided to implement and to present there.
Okay, so yeah, that was October, and then about Agora we will talk further in the November telegram.
Coming soon!